So the key question we all have is, when are we going to exit from this pandemic? And the answer is, it depends on when we're going to have all these vaccines. And initially there was optimism that there are a number of vaccines that are already ready for production. But the moment that production of these vaccines started, there was a lot of frustration that it takes longer than we had hoped for. Now, although I share that frustration, I must say that these delays were likely to be expected. And here is the reason why. If you look at the production of vaccines, my colleague Nico van Dalen, who knows a lot about vaccine production, he told me that this is a very complex process that is characterized by many different activities that in turn depend on each other. Now, that in itself is not such a problem, as long as all these activities are perfectly synchronized, then there are no delays. But with any new process, there are a lot of things that are unpredictable. It takes a little bit longer than we had hoped for. There is an additional quality control that we didn't foresee. Now, the combination of these little statistical fluctuations in combination with the dependency in events creates delays in our production. Now, this is something that is known to most people working in production. And the golden rule in production is that if you want to avoid delays while there are statistical fluctuations, the only thing you can do is reduce the dependency in your process. Now, one way to reduce the dependency is to reduce the utilization in your factory. What does it mean? It means that you can theoretically produce 100, but you load your factory to only produce, let's say, 80. Now, that is something that is very difficult to convey at a moment where we want to have as many vaccines as soon as possible. So the only thing that we can do if we do not want to reduce utilization is we got to work on streamlining the process to reduce all these uncertainties. But that also may take some time until we get there.